Hey everyone, this is Alicia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this brown and gold spotlight halo eyeshadow look. So if you would like to see how I achieved it, just keep on watching. First, I'm going to start by priming my lids using the Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Deep Cool, and then blend it out using my Real Techniques concealer brush, and then set it all in place using my Coty Airspun Translucent Setting Powder and the BH No. 3 brush from the Studded Elegance brush set. For this look, I'm going to use the Morphe 9D palette and go into the shade Awestruck and my e.l.f. concealer brush and apply this as my brow bone highlight. For my transition shade, I'm going in with Panoramic and my Morphe M222 brush from the Live in Color brush set. This is such a gorgeous mustard colored shadow. I really love how easy it was to blend this whole shade as well as build it up. Now using another Morphe M222 brush, I'm going into the shade Horizon, which is this really nice and rich burnt orange shade, and apply this slightly above my crease. For my crease, I'm using the shades Overlook and High Temp with an e.l.f. Fluffy Crease Brush. Mixing these shades gave the chocolate shade a nice red undertone and really helped the gold that I placed on my lid later on stand out more. My dreams among the stars while I'm standing on the pavement. Now I'm just going back in with my previous brushes and previous shades to really build up any intensity that was lost in the shades during this blending process. All the shades performed really well, and it actually didn't take long at all to reinforce anything. Now going back in with some more concealer, I'm going to carve a rectangular shape on my lid. I'm making sure to really focus on this being in the center of my lid. I'm also going to look up to make sure that the concealer transfers slightly past my crease so that even when my eyes are open, you can still see the gold peeking through. The brush I'm using to do this was the Dela and Rowney No. 6 brush. Now to slightly dry out my concealer, I'm going to use patting motions with my e.l.f. concealer brush. Using a Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush, I'm going to apply the shade Photo Op to the inner and outer corner of the concealer that I just placed down. The shimmers were nice, but I really wanted them to have a foil look, so I sprayed my brush with a bit of MAC Fix Plus to apply these shades to my lid.
Spinning around, lost and found, just trying to make a statement. Lift the weight off my shoulders, set me free. With the birds in the sky is where I'd like to be. Without gravity to hold us down, together we're the side of the ground.
I wiped off my brush and I went into the same shade that I used as my brow bone highlight, and I'm applying that center lid. As I'm patting the shade down, I'm doing small swiping motions to blend the two shades together so that everything is blended perfectly. I also made sure to spray my brush with MAC Fix Plus when applying this shade. Using an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, I went back in with my crease shades and I'm applying that in the blank areas on my lid and slightly overlap it over the shimmer shades so that I have a cohesive gradient. To clean up any transfer to my crease and make this look a little bit more precise, I'm using my Artist Loft No. 0 brush and more of Overlook and High Temp. And just an FYI, these small little detail brushes that I use to clean up my crease or to carve my lid are just paint brushes that I got from Walmart. I could have left this look the way it was, but I wanted to add some sparkle. So I went in with my NYX Glitter Primer on my e.l.f. concealer brush and patted that all over the gold shimmers that I just placed down. And then I used my finger to apply the Bulk Glitters Aladdin's Lamp Loose Glitter, and it just reflected off the light beautifully.
Place my dreams among the stars while I'm standing on the pavement. Spinning around, lost and found, just trying to make a statement.
I don't tightline, but the closest thing I do when I have looks like these is use a little bit of black eyeliner to line my upper lash line, but this step is completely optional. Me personally, I just think it makes the look a little bit better. I'm using the L'Oreal Double Extend Mascara for my lashes, and if you haven't tried this already, you are clearly living under a rock. This is probably the most amazing drugstore mascara you will ever try a day in your life. I prime my lids first and I wait about 20 to 30 seconds, sometimes even a minute before I apply the mascara itself. And it just makes my eyes look, well, not my eyes, my eyelashes look longer, fuller, and more dramatic. For lashes, I'm using the Rebel Access Tiny Lashes, and this is my first time using them, and I think they paired so well with this look. I have a discount code in the description box if you want to order anything from this company. I just want to let you know I do not make any money off of you using my code. It is merely just to save you money on your order. I did the rest of my face off camera, and now I'm applying the bareminerals Absolute Black Lasting Line Liner into my waterline. My face looks dry because I haven't set it yet. I think it's a lot easier to blend eyeshadows on a dry base as opposed to a wet one. Now I'm using the Morphe M222 from the Living Color brush set, and I'm applying Overlook and High Temp super close to my lower lash line and smudging it out. Afterwards, I'm going to go back in with both Morphe M222 brushes and apply Horizon and then Panoramic underneath that. Now I'm just priming and coating my bottom lashes with my mascara, and then I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. concealer brush and some more of Awestruck as my inner corner highlight to finish up this look. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on your notifications. And I hope to see you around soon. Bye.